What is up, YouTube? So today I am going to be shooting my buddy Justin. If you guys haven't seen him in old videos, Otto and Francesca, he took the bikes out and stuff. But we're gonna go meet with him. That's Francesca's cousin or something, which is kind of crazy. But we're gonna go meet up with them and hopefully shoot his car. So this will be cool. Sheets has a drive-through.
That's cool though.
24/7 drive-through at that. Like, what the hell? Look, can you give me a Reese's cup? Like, I don't know. Rev it up for the video. Arnold. Every time you come into the Sheets, you gotta dance in the soda cave. Oh my gosh, we got an auto. That was super rude, man. We got one of them big trucks right here. All right, guys. I know you don't want to watch me eat, but I'll show you what I got. Guac. Got that chocolate milk, honest tea. You know what I'm saying? Helped you digest everything that tastes like poop. We got this big giant burrito. Let's eat it. Pop it in. Let's go see these crazy cool cars. I didn't know this one was right-hand drive though. Sexy. Do you know of any cool spots we can get like stills and some pictures at? Or
to be completely honest with you, I have no idea. I've been up here for like 5 minutes. I only go 100 miles an hour right now. One wire, you got this.
That shit sounds crazy. Alright, we're doing some flyboys. This thing looks badass. Pretty quick. It's just so quiet, so it doesn't feel like you're going that fast.
Hit me up.
Oh no. It's so low. Boy, if you don't get Alright guys, so this area that we're at, don't really know, there's not really any like crazy spots that we could shoot, so we just found this dope backdrop. Got like the mountains and stuff. It's like a high school, middle school combo. I'm gonna get some stills of the car and then probably some pictures. If you guys want to follow the Instagram, check it out right here. Check out some more of the pictures. He actually has an Instagram too. What's your Instagram?
LimOG613.
I'll post it somewhere right here, but I forgot to tell you guys, this car's actually for sale. So if you guys want to hit him up, check the car out, hit him up on Instagram.
Says on the beat, boy.
So it's a 89 Nissan Silvia S13, big turbo 2J swap, built bottom end, Borg Warner S366 turbo, fun car, makes good power. It's lowered, got built suspension, out of Mishimoto cooling, intercooler and radiator. Tuned right now on 13 pounds, can go way higher than that. Fun car, good car. It's got heat for the winter time.
That's why he's in there, you know, keep it warm.
Right now, I mean, it's got interior wise, boost gauge, GPS speedometer, energy quick release steering wheel, ride seats. It's got a custom SSR, 3-piece, Professor SP3s. Just a fun car to play around with and piss some people off.
13 seconds. In the comments below, who do you think? Do you think it's gonna start or no?
Or no.
Go ahead. No. It might be started.
Yeah, that's what it sounds like. That or
It might be started.
R.I.P. R.I.P. Did this come up, this hood? I just want to lift it up real quick. Got that, the LS6, guys. This thing probably is torque monster though, and this little thing, this thing probably just, I'll say just, where's your starter at on this?
Behind the header on this side.
Fuck that.
This thing is
Yeah.
You ain't hitting that one.
Yeah.
Sounded like it wanted to that time.
something's going on over here too.
Talking at, okay, why do you guys always flip up the camera? Is that like, it's just like a thing? You did in sheets, bro. I got it on video, bro. Oh, alrighty, mates. So we checked out the TJZ Silvia. I want to thank Justin one last time. Go check him out on Instagram, guys. The car is for sale. You already know. It's freezing out here. We tried to start this, but the battery's frozen. So, but if you guys want to check out more of his cars, follow his Instagram right here. Also, I want to say thanks to Otto. You know what I'm saying? Check out his Instagram. I don't know, I'm not putting all that, but and Francesca, she's got the little filthy SI. But comment, rate, subscribe, guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.
God, oh my God, if I die, I'm a legend. When they lay me down to rest, I know I was always repping.